Kitten, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a felt kitten. It's so cute, look at it, and it even has a cute little tail, and I'm really actually impressed with the end result of this. So let's just get on to the making so that you can try this at home. Let's go! So bye guys, I hope you really liked this video, and I know I already said this, but I am really impressed with the end result of this cat. It's so cute, look at its face, little tail. So please put down in the comment section if you ever tried this and tell me what colour it was, because I would really like to know. And do not forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, because that would be really nice of you. And yeah. Caddy says bye. Bye-bye.
I know how to make chickens and rabbits too, so you better smash that like button, because if I can get this video to 100 likes, then I will do a video on them. So, smash it!